Hi, my name is Vikram Baide. I'm from Nepal. Today I am going to show you guys something about stir fry using the healthy hair oil for cooking and salad dressing, caroteno, canola and red palm oil. It's supposed to be really good for high flame such as wok cooking, and that's why I'm trying to do some stir fry noodles with a different kind of vegetable and see how it affects in oil affects in a different flavor in each of those vegetable components. I'm using garlic, ginger, asparagus. I have Chinese sausages, carrot, red onion. I have egg noodles, green scallion, bean sprouts. I have sataki mushroom. I have a dry shrimp pits rehydrated, and then I have a fungus rehydrated, and then I have a little bit of sour bamboo to give kicks on a little bit of sour, sweet and sour, and then I will be finishing with a little bit of Thai basil, and finishing a little bit of soy sauce. We will have a little bit of black vinegar and a little bit of chili oil, and that's how we're gonna finish it off. Heat the pan, oil, just enough to coat it without too much. Oh, it smells wonderful. I like this. Very nice. Okay. Fry a little bit chili because we like hot. Oh, giving it a really nice color too. Nice, beautiful. Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at the color. It's changing. It's attractive. Very nice. A little bit of a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger, stir fry. Now look at this, sausage. The idea behind this cooking, you have to add one at a time because you do not want to rush it. If you rush it, it's not going to do the job what they want it to create. You need an individual flavor coming out. Nice. A little bit of carrot. Sataki mushroom, a little bit of black fungus, smells good, huh? Alright, now you can just serve right here like this and toss the soy sauce. Black vinegar, soy sauce, you can serve straight like this, stir fry vegetable, or you can keep adding other stuff like such as element shrimp. It's really delicious if you are making especially noodles. I like it very good. It's very nice. Oh, it gives umami flavor, very good. And then after that, you add a little bit of noodle. finish it with a touch of water. Little bit scallion, little bit bean sprout. It's wonderful. This mixture, oh, nice, very good. I like it. Make sure you test it. Touch of finishing with the sesame oil. Touch of sugar. Nice. There you go. All right. I'm gonna do a little presentation with this stuff.